In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Vimeo content inside WordPress. If you're someone who uses WordPress to manage your website and wants to seamlessly embed Vimeo videos into your content, you're in the right place. Embedding videos is a great way to enhance your site, whether you're sharing tutorials, showcasing your portfolio, or adding engaging content for your audience. Today, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will bring you to the login page where you'll see different options for signing in. Choose your preferred login method. If you've linked your WordPress account with Google, you can use the Continue with Google option for a faster login. Alternatively, you can use your other login credentials if that's your preference. Now, if you select the Google option, you may be prompted to choose the correct Google account associated with your WordPress site. In most cases, WordPress will automatically select the account if only one Google account is linked, so don't worry if you don't see the prompt. Once you've logged in successfully, WordPress will take you straight to your site's dashboard. From here, look over to the right-hand panel of your dashboard. You'll find a section labeled Quick Links. In this section, click on the option that says Edit Site. This will take you to the editing interface where you can manage and customize your WordPress site. Now that we're in the editing interface, let's proceed to embed the Vimeo video. Look towards the top left corner of the editing interface and locate the Add button. Click on it and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type Vimeo and press Enter. You'll see a few options pop up in the search results. Look for the option labeled Vimeo Embed and select it. Once you've selected the Vimeo Embed block, you'll notice a space where you can paste your Vimeo video link. Go ahead and copy the URL of the Vimeo video you want to display, then paste it into the provided space. After you paste the link, WordPress will automatically process it and display the embedded video right within your content. Take a moment to confirm that the video appears as expected. This step is important to ensure the video is properly embedded and ready for your viewers to enjoy. And now for the final step. Once you're happy with how your video looks, save or publish your changes. This will make the embedded Vimeo video live on your WordPress site for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to embed a Vimeo video into your WordPress site. By following these steps, you can enhance your site with engaging video content in just a few minutes. If you have any questions or need help with other topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.